Welcome to the second part of this tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is let's go to the form design and start work on the coding. So the first part of it is let's right click on the form itself. I would like the form to cover the following. Let's go to build, and all I just did there was right click on the form, right click on it and select build, then select code builder. So right in there I want form load. So inside the form load I'm going to enter as follows: do command dot show ribbon, show toolbar, okay, and the toolbar I want it to show the ribbon. So in this case I don't want it to show any ribbon, so I'm going to say comma AC toolbar no. That's it. I'm going to save it. Okay, let's go into, okay, now click here, right click form, and there we go guys. You see the ribbon up there is all gone. Yeah, so let's move this. That's it. That's how it's gonna look like. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is save is working. This one reset, I'm gonna take care of that. Print is fine. If you click on print, yeah, print is working. Alright, print is working, that's fine. Okay then, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, yeah, print is working fine. Okay, we're back in here anyway. So let's click on the exit. So right click on it and you want to select build event, and that's it for the exit. And right here we're going to enter the lines, these lines of code for the exits. Okay, so I declare a variable, then enter message box billing system. Let's change that to customer billing system. Right, now let's go to the access interface itself, and now the next one, we've done the save is working. This is going to require some coding. All of these are working fine. Now we want to reset. Okay, the reset is going to be officially similar to new. So what I'm going to do is let's go back to the form build, and I'm going to change this to yes so that I can get into the ribbon. Okay, let's go back in there. If I right click and run, so I'm able to get to the ribbon. So let's press Ctrl F1 there. Now go back in here, back to the design, and there let's select this, select the new right there. Okay, we want to convert form macro to Visual Basic, so I'm going to click on that and I'll say convert. There we go. I'm converting every single macro to Visual Basic. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. And okay, this MC macro doesn't exist, so I'm just going to say no to that, and that's it. So I will now, let's right click and come in here, open up the codes. There we go. I now need that of new. That's new. There we go. That's new there. I'm going to copy all of that, copy, and I'll paste that right inside this very one. So right click on it and select that, or you can always click and go to the event. On the event there, click on that, and that should bring you right there. So that is for next. Actually, the one I need is the resets. Where's reset? That's reset there. Click on reset code builder. Okay, there we go. That's the reset procedure area. Let's paste that. All right. Okay, that's for the reset. So on error, go to this. Okay, let's come back in here and let's see if we enter whatever in there. Press Control and click on reset. Okay, let's say new. Yeah, it's working though. That's good. It works. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to select button 7. Let's come into the event of button 7. Select that and click on build. There we go. But before I start anything on button 7, I'm going to come up here, option explicit, and will declare the following variables. So come back in here and just say if txt display dot, I think this is a label, it's not a text box. It is a label. I thought it was a text box. Dot caption. Okay, if it's equals 0, then I want this to be equals 7. This actually, I think I actually have a label though. Let's see. Yes, it is a label, not a. Okay, so let's change the name. Let's make things right. This one is going to be LBL, not TXT. LBL. So back in there. So it's better you always do the right thing. So this one become LBL. LBL, and this is LBL. I strongly have a feeling it was a text box. Well, it's alright. It's corrected now anyway. Else this equals as follows, and we have to end if there, and this is going to be plus. Right, that is the very first line of code taken care of. So copy that, come right in here, select button 8, right click, build event, code builder, button 8, change that to 8, and here as well, change that to 8. Now let's go back in there. We'll do the same thing for button 9, right click, build event, code builder 9. So I'm going to speed up the numeric values on these buttons, and I'll get back to you guys shortly. Okay guys, the codes for all of the numeric values are taken care of. Let's come back in here and select that, go to events, code builder, and right here let's enter as follows for the dot. Okay then, for the decimal place, those are the lines of code for decimal place. Back in here again, let's have a look at, or have a go at the operators. Right click, build event, code builder, and right there I should have, okay, I do have that. That's first number equals LBL display. Yeah, dot caption. And in this case the operator, what is the operator variable. Okay, it's called ops. Come back here. Ops in this case equals plus, and LBL operator, we want to clear that, equals clear. Alright, that's fine. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the subtraction. There we go, that becomes subtraction. Okay, so let's speed the rest up. Okay, let's take care of this sign, and there we go. Okay, and let's have a look at the square root. I'm gonna come in here, right click, and then select code builder, and there we go. That's for the square root. So we need to now have a look at this modulus. Okay, let's take care of the equals. So I'm going to right click and select that, come right here. The case of the equals is going to be second number equals LBL display dot caption if ops equals that. Then let's see, do I have another variable? Okay, I do. Answer equals, where is it? Go back in there and look for it. Answer equals first number plus second number. There we go. Now LBL display dot caption equals answer. So that's the first part of it. So let's end that here. I'm just going to copy that and use else if we subtract, do this, and else if again. If it's minus, do this, and else if it's division, convert this to division. And let's come down. Else if it's mode, that should be backspace, right? Mode should be officially be mode, right? Not that. Okay, now that is the equals taken care of. Okay, let's take care of the backspace. Click on that, and that is the backspace event, code builder, and there we go. That's for the backspace right here. Now come back in here, clear, you can just clear that anyway. That is clear. So plus minus. Okay, for PM plus minus there. So I think the calculator itself is taken care of now. Let's go back in here and just try it out. Yeah, let's say 9 multiplied by 5 equals Right, now it doesn't seem to be working. 9 times 5. Okay, it's working. What was the problem? Let's say clear that. 8 plus. Alright, it's working. Now this one, when that is 0, there should be 0 in there. Okay, let's go back in here and see what we can do to take care of that.